Hi, welcome to the Carbon Dioxide Removal Newsroom. Here's your weekly roundup of top CDR updates from past week. Octopus Energy Generation signed $60 million carbon removal deal with Cultivo. Cocoon raised $15 million to scale low-carbon cement. Sustainable Aviation announced to invest $2.5 million in greenhouse gas removal credits. Sequestra raised $3.51 million to transform industrial waste into solid carbon storage. Google partnered with AMP to remove 200,000 tons of CO2 via biochar by 2030. Empacar S.A. announced to scale biochar production in Bolivia in partnership with Puro.earth, Cula, and BioFlux, targeting 70,000 tons of CO2 per year. CURA and Captura partnered to advance bipolar membrane tech for low-carbon cement production. Grassroots Carbon launched ground-all soil carbon mapping tech with Earth Optics. BNP Paribas Alts invested in Rainforest Builder UK for West African forest restoration. A group of startups formed CO2 Mineralization Coalition. Climeworks and SMI launched CDR Pathfinder to bring together global CEOs to scale durable CDR. Isometric updated its biochar production and storage protocol. Public consultation open until April 16th. Carbon Business Council launched direct storage of biomass coalition. Caesar selected 6 NBS project developers for Carbon Coalition Cohort 4. ClimeFi opened beyond 2030 RFP for 100K, 500K tons of durable CDR. Submissions close April 8th. Captain Drawdown published first global CDR researcher census. Swedish Energy Agency opened 15 million Swedish kronor funding for negative emissions R&D. Deadline August 31st, 2026. Sweden announced to back negative emissions projects and research in 2 new calls. Carbon Management Journal calls for CDR papers. Deadline November 13th, 2026. Sweden could store up to 5 million tons of CO2 per year, according to the Geological Survey of Sweden. Savin Center published primer on international law for marine CDR. UK Jet Zero Task Force Report 2025 summarized aviation decarbonization progress. Clean Air Task Force evaluated existing biomass CDR protocols in a new report. CRA and CW released India CDR policy brief. Beaver-engineered wetlands can store 10 times more carbon than areas without beavers. That's all for now. Subscribe to the Carbon Removal Updates Substack newsletter.